So last night I couldn't sleep that well and got up a little early. Actually, way too much early. It's like 5 a.m. right now. It's a misty morning, and this is my house, by the way. We have made our tiny home on the rooftop. We planted few trees as well, and see this wall. You see all these beautiful plants. We actually use this to hide this hole. We need to fix this wall as soon as possible. Okay, so now coming back to this big terrace, Tata plays here all day. It actually feels quite peaceful here. And you see these two chairs. Anirban and I, we sit here at night and we talk a lot while Tata plays. Okay, now please come inside. So this is the wall we have decorated recently, and I really like the decoration, how it looks now, very delicate. And you see this dark place. The clock is not working. I have two clocks, both of them are not working. So yeah, this is my kitchen. I'm gonna show you because it's all messed up. I'm gonna cook someday. I'm gonna show you my kitchen that time. Okay, so let me take you inside. Okay, so this is kind of our bedroom and living room, and you're gonna see, like, it's not a typical bedroom where we just come to sleep. We even work here. And this tiny corner, you see over there, the shelf, I shoot there. And this is Anirban's electric piano. He practices here. I shoot my videos. I sit and I shoot. Hey hi. So these are the books we are reading. Anirban is actually sleeping right now. See, Vechara, he's gonna get up around 7 or 8. I'm gonna let him sleep. And this is his studio. I'm not gonna go inside because I don't know, I feel scared going there alone. Okay, so this is the wall I decorated again, and this is my favorite piece. And just hi, and Tata wants to play like always. So these are his toys. I bought him so many toys, and this is my favorite toy. He doesn't like it at all. This is his favorite, this orange one. He loves it so much. You know what? I think home is where Tata and Anirban, they are. I mean, I feel so at peace with them, so loved, and I'm happy. Okay, now I'm gonna make you happy. See the way he tilts his head, it makes me happy. I'm sure it's gonna make you happy too. Wanna hear what I'm telling him?
বেলুন কোথায়? যাও বেলুন নিয়ে এসো, যাও চলো বাইরে চলো। এখন না।
So yeah, this is it. This is our home for now. Tata sleeps here. I sleep here, high in the middle. And then Anirban. So I hope you... Oh, bechara, he's sleeping. Even Tata is sleeping right now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm so happy to have you here. So yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.
जहाँ कोई जा